In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a project using the project search. By the end, you'll be able to jump straight to the right project in just a few seconds, without scrolling through long lists or opening extra pages. Let's start from your main workspace. First, open the Projects area. This is usually labeled Projects and sits in your main navigation, either along the top or in the sidebar. Clicking Projects takes you to a dedicated overview page where all active, recent, or assigned projects are listed. Think of this page as your project hub. Everything starts here. At the top of this projects page, look for the search bar. It's often placed prominently so you can reach it quickly. If your window is narrow, it may condense into an icon. Expand your window if needed so it's easy to spot. The search bar is designed to scan through project names and, in many setups, client names as well, so you can use whichever detail you remember first. Click into the search bar and begin typing either the project name or the client name. If you know the exact title, go ahead and enter it. If not, even a meaningful fragment usually works. Most systems match partial words, so typing a distinctive keyword is often enough to narrow things down fast. As you type, you'll typically see results begin to populate beneath the bar. Keep an eye out for helpful cues. Some results show the client name, project status, or last updated date, which can help you confirm you've found the right one. If you don't see what you expect, try a slightly different spelling or a shorter keyword. Avoid extra spaces or special characters, as those can sometimes reduce matches. Once the correct project appears in the results, select it. A single click will open the project, taking you straight to its dashboard or overview. From here, you can review details, tasks, timelines, or files, whatever you came to find. If more than one project looks similar, glance at the additional context in the results list to confirm you're choosing the right entry before you click. That's all there is to it. Open Projects, go to the search bar, enter the project or client name, and select your match from the results. If nothing turns up, it could be a spelling variation, a different naming convention, or the project might be restricted or archived. In those cases, double-check the wording you're using or verify access with your team. With this quick search workflow, you'll save time and get exactly where you need to be every time.